Investing in multifamily real estate such as a duplex for rental properties has been a complete game changer. And if you're in the game for still not getting the income you've been eyeing, to be honest, maybe you're simply doing it all wrong. Picture this. You own one single property that gives you multiple tenants, paying you monthly cash flow on complete autopilot, attractive tax benefits, house appreciation, and yearly rent increases, all while sitting in the comfort of your own home. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I'm about to turn that dream into a reality because in this video, I'll give you 5 hacks you should know to get started in multifamily real estate. This is a perfect way to diversify your portfolio and generate consistent income. So if you're ready to get started, let's get down to business. Number 5. Start small. If you're new to multifamily investing or just starting out, my best advice is to begin with a small multifamily unit like a duplex or triplex. This approach can make things much more manageable and less overwhelming from the beginning. Starting small is a great way to learn the ropes regardless of what you're getting into, and multifamily investment is no exception. Trust me, investing in a small multifamily property can aid you in gaining valuable experience and insights into the dynamics of this real estate market. What's my suggestion? Well, a small complex allows you to get your foot in the door of multifamily real estate with a lower financial commitment and less complexity. It gives you the opportunity to understand the responsibilities and challenges that come with managing multiple units while building your expertise and confidence. Over time, as you gain experience and knowledge, you can gradually venture into larger properties. Starting small provides a solid foundation and a stepping stone for future growth in the multifamily investment area. There are still things you need to learn about multifamily properties. Watch the video until the end, but of course, like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Help us spread the real estate vibes by sharing it to other people.
Before we dive in, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do you want the chance to win a brand new iPhone 14 Pro, MacBook Pro, or a $500 Amazon gift card? Find the hidden message that's in the video, comment it down below, and subscribe to the channel. We will choose one random subscriber in each video for a chance to win one of these amazing prizes. Don't forget to hit the like button, and good luck.
Number 4. Research the location well. Accessibility to schools and hospitals is a key consideration for many tenants. Let's be honest, people want convenience and easy access to essential services, so investing in areas that offer these amenities can attract a steady stream of renters. Safety and security are paramount as well. Tenants want to feel safe in their neighborhoods, so choosing areas with low crime rates and a sense of security is essential. Another important aspect is the commute. Easy access to transportation and major roadways can make a property more attractive to tenants who need to commute to work or navigate the city easily. High yield and high growth areas are worth exploring. These locations typically experience high demand for rental properties, which can lead to higher occupancy rates and potentially greater returns on investment. You must also consider the overall condition of the neighborhood and the surrounding properties. A well-maintained and aesthetically pleasing neighborhood can attract quality tenants and enhance the value of your property. Number 3. Plan your budget. Having an operating budget for your multifamily investment is something you should never neglect. It allows you to track the performance and profitability of your investment. Closely monitoring your expenses and income will help you identify areas where costs can be reduced, uncover potential problem areas, and plan for necessary capital improvements. Remember, multifamily properties tend to be more expensive than smaller units. Many of these properties require renovations and improvements before they can be rented out and generate profits. I suggest accounting for these expenses in your budgeting process. Be prepared for unexpected costs as well. Leaky roofs, burst water pipes, and other unforeseen issues can arise, and you should always have a financial cushion to handle these situations. You gain a clear understanding of the financial commitments and potential returns associated with your multifamily investment when you set a budget. It serves as a reference point for future reviews and helps you make informed decisions about your property. Number 2. Work with real estate professionals. One crucial member of your team is a professional property manager. Their role is to ensure the smooth and efficient day-to-day operations of your multifamily property. They handle tasks such as tenant screening, lease management, rent collection, maintenance coordination, and resolving any issues that may arise. I kid you not when I say that you can generate extra rental income while ensuring that your property is well maintained when you entrust these responsibilities to a skilled property manager. What's also important is to work with professionals who specialize in multifamily deals, such as real estate agents. A competent real estate agent with expertise in multifamily properties can help you find suitable investment opportunities, negotiate deals, and navigate the complex market. Another valuable addition to your team is a reliable network of contractors, maintenance personnel, and legal advisors. They play a vital role in keeping your multifamily property in top-notch condition, securing reliable renters, addressing legal concerns, and maintaining accurate financial records. Collaborating with qualified real estate professionals allows you to leverage their knowledge and experience to make informed decisions and streamline your investment process. Together, your team can handle the various aspects of property management, ensuring the long-term success and profitability of your multifamily investment. And now, before we go to our last hack, here are some honorable hacks you should also know about. Know the best rental rate for your property. Setting the perfect rental rate for your multifamily property can sometimes feel like a balancing act. That's why you need to strike a balance when you're not leaving money on the table, but also not scaring away potential tenants with exorbitant prices. Finding the sweet spot is a humongous advantage for you. To determine the best rental rate for your property, conduct thorough research and analyze the market. Start by studying the rental rates of similar multifamily properties in your area. Look for properties with similar amenities, location, and size to get a sense of the prevailing rates. Understanding your competition will give you valuable insights into the rental market dynamics and help you set a competitive and attractive rent price. If your property offers unique features or amenities, you may consider slightly higher rates to reflect its value proposition. Also, consider other factors that can influence the rental rate, such as the condition of your property, demand and supply dynamics in the area, and current market trends. Taking these factors into account will enable you to make an informed decision about the optimal rent price. Keep in mind that it's also essential to strike a balance between maximizing your rental income and ensuring a steady flow of inquiries. Setting the rent too high may limit your pool of potential tenants, while setting it too low could lead to missed revenue opportunities. Always prepare for the worst. Owning a large property increases the likelihood of encountering unexpected situations, from sudden maintenance and repair needs to longer than anticipated vacancies and even expenses caused by irresponsible tenants. You need to be prepared for anything that might come your way. One smart approach is to set aside a portion of your expected rental income as a contingency fund. A good rule of thumb is to allocate around 10% of your rental income to cover unexpected expenses. This will help you weather any financial storms that may arise, such as market declines and unexpected vacancies. Having sufficient cash reserves on hand is vital for handling these events without feeling the pinch. It provides you with the peace of mind and financial security to handle any unexpected expenses that may pop up along the way. Bear in mind that being proactive and prepared is an indispensable tool to successfully navigate the world of multifamily property investing. You can ensure that you're ready to handle whatever challenges may come your way through expecting the unexpected and having a financial safety net in place. And now, let us go to our last but definitely not the least hack. Number 1. Make improvements. Think about it. Would you want to rent a place that is run down with broken fixtures and outdated features? Of course not. And your potential tenants feel the same way. That's why it's vital to keep your property in top-notch condition. Start by addressing any maintenance issues promptly. If something is broken, fix it right away. A leaky faucet, a faulty electrical outlet, or a broken window can leave a negative impression on potential tenants. Taking care of these issues can show that you care about the quality of your property and the comfort of your tenants. Of course, it doesn't stop at basic repairs. Making upgrades to your property can also greatly enhance its desirability. Consider modernizing the kitchen or bathroom, replacing old appliances, or adding new amenities that renters value, such as high-speed internet or a fitness center. Believe me when I say that you create a more attractive and appealing living environment for your tenant as you invest in these improvements. This can lead to shorter vacancy periods, higher rental rates, and longer lease terms. After all, tenants are more likely to stay in a place that is well maintained and offers desirable features. In the world of multifamily real estate investment, success doesn't come easy. It takes dedication, hard work, and a deep understanding of the market. But with the right strategies in place, you can set yourself up for a profitable venture in the competitive multifamily rental market. Keep in mind that multifamily investing requires ongoing learning and adaptation. Stay updated on market trends, regulations, and emerging opportunities. With perseverance, dedication, and the knowledge gained from these tips, you're on your way to achieving success in the multifamily rental market. So, what's your favorite hack from this video? Please share in the comment section below. In fact, if you want a foolproof guide on how to invest in small multifamily properties, watch this video next where you'll learn exactly what to do. Click the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.